Today, I'm going to show you how to create a full document approval workflow using Jotform. This is perfect for teams, companies, or anyone who needs a smooth and reliable approval system without complicated software. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Jotform. Once you reach the website, log into your account or sign up if you're new. After you're in, go to your dashboard and choose the form you want to use, or create a new one from scratch. You can also choose a template if you want a faster setup. When building the form, make sure to include the fields required for your approval process. This usually includes the submitter's details, the document information, and the email addresses of the people who need to review or approve it. After your form is ready, go to the Settings section at the top of the Builder. From the left menu, select Approval Flows. This is where you will design how your document moves from one person to the next. You can choose a blank approval flow, a one-step approval, or pick from Jotform's templates. Once the flow opens, you will see the drag and drop builder. Here, add each approval step by dragging approval elements into the workflow. Assign the people who need to approve at each stage and define what actions they can take, such as approve or deny. Next, customize your workflow by adding email notifications so approvers get alerts whenever something is waiting for them. You can also enable conditional logic so the workflow changes based on responses or decisions. This is useful if different documents require different levels of approval. If your process needs automation, add those tasks as well. For example, once a document is approved, you can automatically assign it to someone, trigger an email, or move it into a project system. Once your workflow looks good, save it and test it using a sample submission. Then share your form by sending a link, inviting users by email, or embedding it on your website. And that's it. Your document approval workflow is now active, automated, and ready to keep your team moving efficiently.